If you're dealing with tough cleaning jobs like driveways, heavy equipment, commercial buildings, or large decks, an ordinary pressure washer simply won't cut it. Today we're reviewing the Simpson Aluminum Series ALH4240 gas pressure washer, featuring 4,200 PSI, 2.5 GPM water flow, a Honda GX390 engine, CAT Triplex pump, 50-foot high pressure hose, and 5 quick connect spray nozzles. But is this one of the best professional-grade pressure washers available? Let's find out. The Simpson ALH4240 is designed for contractors, professional cleaners, facility maintenance crews, and homeowners who need serious cleaning power. Unlike entry-level electric pressure washers, this gas-powered unit is built for demanding outdoor cleaning applications where durability and performance matter most. From removing years of dirt and grime to cleaning concrete, construction equipment, fencing, and commercial surfaces, it's designed to tackle large-scale projects efficiently. Its aluminum frame also helps reduce weight while maintaining excellent structural strength. Let's start with the performance. The biggest highlight is the Honda GX390 commercial-grade engine, one of the most respected engines in the pressure washer industry for reliability and long service life. Combined with 4,200 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute, the machine provides excellent cleaning power for stubborn stains, grease, mud, mold, and heavy debris. The CAT Industrial Triplex pump is another major advantage, offering smooth pressure delivery while being designed for long-term professional use. This combination makes the ALH4240 suitable for frequent and demanding cleaning applications. The Simpson ALH4240 also focuses on convenience. It comes equipped with a 50-foot high-pressure hose, allowing users to cover larger work areas without constantly moving the machine. Included are 5 quick connect spray nozzles, making it easy to switch between different spray patterns depending on the cleaning task. The durable aluminum frame helps resist corrosion while keeping the overall weight lower than comparable steel-framed units. It's also 49-state compliant, making it suitable for sale and operation across most of the United States. In real-world use, the ALH4240 delivers impressive cleaning performance. The Honda engine starts reliably and provides consistent power during extended cleaning sessions. The CAT pump maintains stable pressure, allowing users to clean large concrete surfaces, heavy equipment, siding, retaining walls, and commercial properties efficiently. The long hose and multiple nozzles improve flexibility, while the aluminum frame makes transportation easier than heavier industrial alternatives. For professionals who need dependable equipment for regular commercial work, this pressure washer performs exactly as expected. So, is the Simpson Aluminum Series ALH4240 pressure washer worth buying? If you're looking for a professional-grade gas pressure washer with exceptional durability and serious cleaning power, this machine is absolutely worth considering. With its Honda GX390 engine, 4,200 PSI output, CAT Triplex pump, 50-foot hose, 5 spray nozzles, and aluminum frame, it delivers outstanding performance for demanding residential and commercial cleaning projects. While it carries a higher price than consumer-grade pressure washers, its professional components and long-term reliability make it an excellent investment for contractors and serious users. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of professional tools, outdoor equipment, pressure washers, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.